Jason, looks like it's going to be a pretty chilly weekend to be in any national park or state park for that matter.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to get a little piece of energy coming down our way. It's going to be cold. I broke out the Barney colors on the map.
Boy,
the purples, the pinks. There they are. You can kind of guess what the number is going to look like once I reveal them. Teens, 20s. Now, this isn't terrible for January in Maine. 24 Portland, 21 Lewiston. You obviously have to head down east. You have to head to the western mountains. You have to head up to the county where you have those teens. Eastport, 19, just below 20. We'll take it there for our friends down east. Calais, 19. This is, typical January stuff. We're not going to break records with those temperatures. And the clouds are coming up from the south here. Snow streaming up Cape Cod and Nantucket. Really, that's it. There's a storm that's pushing through the mid-Atlantic. We will not see any of that here. What we are going to see, cloud cover this evening, going out to walk the dog, going out for dinner. That's it. You're not going to see snow. You have to really get down to the seacoast to have a chance, even some flurries. Into the overnight, clouds start to get a little bit lower and thicker, and even some snow flurries breaking out in Caribou to start your Saturday. Saturday is the day where it's going to be colder than Sunday. Also going to see a lot more wind and clouds Saturday versus Sunday. So a little snow band coming through Caribou at most into late Saturday. It's hard to see here if a little trough develops here with some snow shower activity, but overall, not expecting this to be a big deal. It's the temperatures, Rangeley at 7, and then you're going to add the wind chill onto this. It's going to feel even cooler. And into Sunday, though, watch what happens. You wake up 8 o'clock in the morning, and sun is out. It's already 20 in Rockland. Nice big rebound here. Wind still out of the west and northwest, but the bite in the air is not as strong. And speaking of that bite in the air, Saturday, Sunday it's there, but next week, mid-30s and even some 40s popping up. We'll take that. It's the reason why up at the North Pole and up towards Greenland, that's where all the cold air is just bottled up here. The jet stream, the polar jet at least, is up north, so we're not going to see any intrusion of really true Arctic air coming our way anytime the jet stream is this far north in the end of January. So, yeah, this will be cold this weekend, but it will be brief. How about the forecast? Mariner's small craft is up. Wind northwest 10 to 15 knots. Next 7 days is really pretty typical as far as Maine goes in winter. Inland 20s go over to 30s and then some 40s popping up, a little bit above typical there. The next opportunity for really measurable snow or plowable stuff is Wednesday to Thursday. It will not be a significant storm as far as being major, but that's the time where you want to break out the shovel. It's going to be Wednesday. Keep that handy. It's winter, right?
Yeah, get a little bit of a break, though.
Well, to see those higher temperatures, kind of good, right? But I got a lot of friends who are ice fishermen who are saying, I really wish the ice was a bit thicker. We're not going to get that with those temperatures.
No, this is the weekend to do that, to really get those lakes and ponds to start to get a little bit harder.
All right.
Thanks,
Jason.